Welcome to our comprehensive guide on installing Singlestore. In this video, we'll show you why Singlestore is a powerful solution for your data needs and walk you through the installation process step by step. Singlestore is a high-performance, distributed SQL database that unifies transactions and analytics in a single platform. It's designed for speed, scalability, and real-time analytics, making it an ideal choice for modern data applications. Singlestore can ingest data from multiple sources, including real-time streaming data, batch processing systems, and operational databases. At the core of Singlestore is its highly performant ingest and query engine, ensuring fast and efficient data processing. Processed data within Singlestore is then made available to various data consumers, including applications, data science tools, and reporting systems. The converged data platform within Singlestore allows seamless integration with a variety of databases and storage solutions. Now, let's dive into the installation process of Singlestore. First, download the required packages for Singlestore. We'll need the Singlestore toolbox, server, and client packages. Once the packages are downloaded, unpack them using your terminal. Next, deploy the Singlestore cluster using the following command. Don't forget to include the license tag with your acquired license from the Singlestore portal. Enter your desired database password. The Singlestore does several pre-checks on the server before installing the database. This ensures that the machine is optimized to run Singlestore efficiently. The installation and configuration of all nodes and the server may take several minutes. As you can see, two nodes are created by the Singlestore, the master aggregator on the port 3308 and a leaf node on the port 3309. Now that Singlestore has been installed, we need a GUI to access the database and create and manage databases. For that, first download Singlestore Studio and unpack the RPM package. Singlestore Studio provides an intuitive interface for managing databases, tables, and other database objects. Start the Singlestore Studio using the following command. After starting the Singlestore Studio service, go to your local host on port 8080. You will now be seeing the home page of Singlestore Studio. Here you need to click on Add or Create a Cluster option. On the next page, click on Add an existing cluster. Enter the host name and the port of the master aggregator. By default, the user here will be root. Enter the password which you have created during the previous steps. Enter your desired type of cluster, name and the description of the cluster. Now you can see all the details of the cluster, including the host CPU usage, total memory used, etc. On the Node tab, you can see all the details about the nodes present in the cluster. And that concludes our guide on installing Singlestore and setting up the cluster. Thank you for watching. For further information about Singlestore, contact Vericitas Solutions.